Small steps that shape the future begin here. This project aims to bring together friendship, culture, environmental awareness, and creativity in the world of children. Children learn to share and carry their friendships on their wrists. By exploring different cultures, children learn to respect diversity. Little hands meet nature, learning patience and responsibility through experience. A story beyond borders, children discover the power of creating together. Waste turns into art as children learn to protect the environment. A bridge from heart to heart, friendships are built across countries. Small steps create big changes.